ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। षष्ठ्यन्त अन्यपदार्थ बहुव्रीहि samasa we are seeing. In बहुव्रीहि samasa, which pada is important? Purva pada or uttara pada?
Anyapada.
Huh. It is already given anya padartha bahuvrihi. Did we see this is Saptami. Shashti, did we finish? Chaturmukha Chaturananaha. We finished that. Next, Saptamyanta Anya Padartha Bahuvrihi. The example is given Veera Purushaha. Veeraha Purushaha. Yasmin. Saha Veera Purushaha. Yasmin, in that which the people are, what is the word for Veera in English?
Brave, courageous.
Brave, courageous people are there in that. That is the Veera Purushaha, that is Gramaha. Like that. So here, Veeraha Purushaha, we can take Bahuvachanam. Veeraha Purushaha Yasmin Saptami. Saha Gramaha Veera Purushaha. Anya Padartham Grama. Next, Bahuvanaraha. Who will tell?
Bahavaha Vanaraha Yasmin Vrikshe Bahuvanaraha. Vanaraha, sorry. Vrikshaha. Do we just say Vikshaha, right? Yes.
In Vigraha Vakya, actually in Vigraha Vakya, we don't need to say. Bahavaha Vanaraha Yasmin Saha Vrikshaha.
Right.
So there Saha means Vrikshaha. Saha Bahuvanaraha. So we have to understand Saha means Vrikshaha. Yasmin. Yasmin means Vrikshe. Yasmin, what is the meaning of Yasmin? Is Vrikshe. Saha also right. Vrikshaha. Next.
Bahavaha Pushpaha Yasmin Saha Vatiki.
Pushpam is which linga?
Pumsalinga. Bahavaha Pushpani Yasmin Saha.
Here we have to take Visheshana Visheshya. Pushpa is the Visheshya, Bahu is the Visheshana. So when Visheshya Visheshana Bhava, if it is there, Purvapada and Uttarapada, Linga Vachana should be same or different?
Same.
Now you tell.
Not getting.
Should I try?
Yes, yes.
Would it be Bahuni Vanarani?
Pushpani, not
Oh, sorry.
Vanarani.
Where did I go? Sorry. Bahuni Pushpani
Huh.
Yasmin
Huh.
Saha
Huh.
Bahu Pushpa Vatika.
Bahu.
Sa
Huh.
Vatika, sorry. Sa.
Huh. Yasmin.
Yasyam.
Right. Sorry.
Yasyam. Yasyam sa vatika. Sa bahu pushpa. Sa vatika.
Right.
Hmm.
So I'll say it one more time. Bahuni Pushpani Yasyam Sa Vatika Sa Bahu Pushpa. Sorry.
Again, you don't need to say sa vatika bahu pushpa.
Right. Okay.
Huh.
Got it.
Prabhuta Neeram.
Prabhum Neeram. Prabhum Neeram.
Prabhutam Neeram. Yasmin.
Prabhutam Neeram. Yasmin.
Tat Prabhuta Neeram.
Tat.
Napumsakalingam. Saras is the Napumsakalinga. Sakaranta Napumsakalinga.
Oh,
I think.
Saraha.
Saras. Sakaranta Napumsakalinga Saraha. Saraha, as soon as we see, we feel it is Pullinga. But it is not Pullinga. It is Strilinga. It is Napumsakalinga. That's why it is said Prabhutam Neeram Yasmin Tat Prabhuta Neeram Saraha.
So can the pulling also like the Bahuvachana also be there? Like Prabhutani. Would it be Prabhutani Nirani Yasmin Tat Saraha Prabhuta Niram.
Neeram. We can use Bahuvachanam also. But
Okay.
even if we use Ekavachanam also, Jalam. Jalam is there. Where Jalam is there, that is Prabhuta Neeram Saraha Saras. Right? In which
Yes.
Jalam is there. That is Prabhuta Neeram. So we cannot say in Jalam we can use plural or singular, whatever. It is our wish. Okay. Next one. Bahu Sasyam. Anybody? What is Bahusasyam meaning?
Multiple crops.
No. If it is Saptamyanta Anya Padartha Bahuvrihi, what could be the meaning here?
Among many multiple crops. The one among multiple.
No. In that,
It
many carbs are there,
Mhm.
right?
Yes, yes.
Prabhaji, what you are saying?
no, I was also, it says Kshetram here, so I said field is what I was going to say.
Now, Vigraha Vakya.
Bahuni sasyani yasmin saha tat kshetram bahu sasyam.
Yes. Next, Navarandrani.
Navani randrani yasmin tat navarandrani dehaha.
Why that is there?
Napumsakalingam. Oh, dehaha in pumlingam. Saha.
Deham also
Napumsakam, right?
Napumsakalinga. Pullinga is there, Napumsakalinga is also there.
Okay.
Both are there. But
When did we
Dehaha only Pullinga. If it is Deham, then Napumsakalinga. What is the question?
No, that was the question. It says dehaha, so should it be
Yes.
pulling? Yeah.
Again, can you say Vigraha Vakyam?
Navani randrani yasmin saha navarandrani dehaha. Eshu vadochu.
Navani, Nava Shabda is not Navani, Nava only. One minute.
Navasu vadochu. Nakaranta pumlingam.
Nava only. Nava.
Okay.
Prathma Bahuvachanam Nava. So Nava Randrani. Yasmin Saha
Navarandrani dehaha.
What is the exact meaning of Randrani?
Not Navaran.
Or is it in
Holes. Randrani means hole.
okay?
This Navadvare Pure Dehi.
Right,
Those
got it.
lines.
Yeah. Okay.
Navarandrani yasmin saha navarandraha dehaha. Not Navarandrani, Navarandraha dehaha. Right? Navarandrani. This is not correct. It's actually Navarandraha.
Randrani also Napumsakalinga.
Vigrahavakya, yeah, Randram is Napumsakalinga. In Vigrahavakya, Randrani will come. Nava Randrani.
Okay.
Yasmin. Yasmin.
Saha
Saha
Navarandraha.
Navarandraha. Dehaha. Up to this is Saptamyanta Anya Padartha Bahuvrihi. So what is Pradi Bahuvrihi, Nai Artha Bahuvrihi, Upamana Purupa Bahuvrihi? It is not given in this Rachananvada Kaumudi. Later we'll see if we get chance. This Vyadhikarana Bahuvrihi, I was checking, but I did not get any information regarding this in Siddhanta Kaumudi. It is given under Vishesha Vyadhikarana Bahuvrihi, but there was no explanation for it. They have started directly Sankyottara Pada Bahuvrihi. They skipped this portion in that, means it could be there in Siddhanta Kaumudi, but where I have the material in that, this explanation is not there. So we'll just go according to this रचनान्वाद कौमुदी व्यधिकरण व्हाट दे आर सेइंग दोनों पदों में भिन्न विभक्ति होने पर भी बहुव्रीहि सो बोथ शुड बी डिफरेंट विभक्तिस कैन बी देयर धनुः पाणौ यस्य सः धनुष्पाणिः in last class we saw one tatpurusha samasa. In between I mentioned one samasa. Anybody remember?
Can you please repeat, Amma?
In last class, during this Bahuvrihi Samasa only, I mentioned some other Samasa, which is Tatpurusha Samasa.
Non-nirdharane. No.
Yes. Nanirdharane. What that says?
The sixth case, it cannot be, it should be seventh case.
Example?
Chitraguhu.
No. Chitraguhu is Bahuvrihi Samasa. It is not Tatpurusha Samasa.
Yes,
That came in yesterday's class, I think. Example came in Siddhant Bindu or Sarva Vedant Siddhant Sar Sangraha. In one of the class it came. Purushottamaha. What is the Vigraha Vakya for Purushottamaha?
Purusheshu Uttama.
Purusheshu Uttamaha. There Shishti Vibhakti, Shishti Tatpurusha Samasa will not happen. Saptami Tatpurusha Samasa will happen. This came. Is it in Vedant Paribhasha or I don't remember in which class. Okay. Then all these we are not going to see all these samasas. Saha Purvapada Bahuvrihi. This one, it is given here. Tena Sahiti Tulya Yoge. Along with this, in this kind of meaning, if it is there, then Bahuvrihi Samasa will come. Jaise Putrena Sahitaha Saputraha. So Saputraha is the Samasta Pada. For that, Vigraha Vakya is Putrena Sahitaha or Putrena Saha. Both kind of Vigraha Vakyas can be there. Putrena Saha, Putrena Sahitaha. Along with Putra. Ramena Saha Lakshmanaha. Ramena Saha Lakshmanaha Agataha. Along with Rama, Lakshmana has come or had come. Past tense. Agataha, past tense, had come. Ramena Saha Lakshmanaha Agataha. So there, Sa Ramaha. Ramena Saha means Sa Ramaha. Sa Ramaha Lakshmanaha Agataha. Is it clear?
Yes.
So,
इसी प्रकार सानुजः. Sanujaha. What is the Vigraha Vakya?
Anujena Saha.
Another? Huh.
Anujena Sahitaha then?
Yes. Another one is Anujena Sahitaha. Yes. Why it is not Sanujaha, Sanujaha?
It's the and the come together.
Which is the what is the Sandhi?
Savarna Dirgha.
Akaha Savarne Dirgha.
Right, sorry.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. So Sutra is Akaha Savarne Dirgha. Sanujaha. Next, Sagrajaha.
Agrajena Saha.
Sagrajaha. Sabandhavaha.
Bandhavena Saha.
What is the Shabda there? Bandhu is the Shabda. Bandhu. Bandhu.
Like Guru.
Bandhana.
Bandhana. Why Saptami came? Why Panchami came?
Bandhu is Tritiya.
What is it Tritiya for Bandhu Shabda?
Bandhubihi Saha.
Bandhubihi Saha. Sa Bandhavaha. Bandhavaha is plural. Guravaha. It should be Bandhavaha, but Bandhasya Bhavaha Bandhaha. Shnei Pratyaya will come. There, Bandhu becomes Hraswa becomes Dirgha because of that Pratyaya. Bandhavaha, Sa Bandhavaha. Bandhubhihi Saha Sa Bandhavaha. Next, Savinayam.
Vinayena Saha. Savinayan.
Yes. Next.
Adarena Saha.
Adarena Saha. Sadaram or Sadaram?
Sadhana.
Next.
अनुरोधेन सह
Anurodhena saha athava sahitaha. So we have to remember sahitaha also same meaning. Saha and sahitaha. These two shabdas we can use. What is the sutra for this?
तेन तुल्ययोगे सहितः तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे.
Tena saheti tulya yoge. Is this clear?
Why Tritiya Vibhaktiyam actually? That is Putrena is Tritiya. Along with it will come by Putra should be like that meaning. So along with also Tritiya will not come.
This sutra says Tena saha iti tulya yoge. This sutra says that saha, whenever it comes, we have to use tritiya.
Okay.
Putrena saha means along with putra. That saha is making this with putra, not by putra.
Okay.
Next, is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So somehow little bit we are familiar with Bahuvrihi. Can you do the Vakyas?
नापितः क्षुरेण केशान् वपति మంగలివాడు కత్తితో వెంట్రుకలను కత్తిరిస్తున్నాడు.
Next.
Should I do it in English?
Yes.
The barber cuts hair with a razor.
Next.
Sauchikah Shuchikaya Vastrani Sivayati.
Wait. Takshakaha khatvam asandikam cha rachayati.
Okay. The carpenter khatvam, the carpenter along with the tools
Khatvam
makes
means
the
what?
tools. Khatvam.
Caught.
Cotton. The carpenter makes the cot.
Can you repeat?
The carpenter makes the cot. And carpenter make the cot and asandikam and the chair.
Yes. Next.
సౌచికః సూచికయా వస్త్రాన్ని సీవ్యతి. టైలర్ సూదితో వస్త్రాలను కుడుతున్నాడు.
Next. In English.
The tailor sews clothes on a sewing machine, with a sewing machine.
Here we don't need to take mission, or we can take either way. We can tell because the suchikaya is given. Suchika is needle, right?
Right. That is suchana yantra, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the tailor sews clothes with a needle.
Yes. Next.
The painter colors the cloth or designs the cloth.
But, not design, colors only. Ranjayati is colors.
Colors the cloth.
Dye, na?
Dye. Dyes the
Because this comes in Panchadashi 6th chapter, this example they will take. Dhauti Ghatita Ranjita. One more step is there. 4 steps will be there. Okay. Dhauti means starch. Ghatita outliner, I think. Ranjaka is painting. Okay. Next.
ధనుష్పానికి వ్యాధః మృగాన్ హంతి. ధనుష్పానికి అంటే
Here we saw this. ధనుః పాణో యస్య సహ ధనుష్పాణిః. ఎవరైతే ధనుస్సును చేతిలో పట్టుకొని ఉన్నారో వారే ధనుష్పాణి. ఎవరు? ధనుస్సు ఎవరి చేతిలో ఉంటుంది?
రాముడి చేతిలో.
ధనుష్పాణిః కః?
రామః.
Here can't it also be hunter?
Yes, here we have to, in this vakya we have to take hunter. Yes.
వ్యాధః
Vyagha is it it's like a tiger
Dhanushpani
or
Vyadha. Not tiger. The one who kills the animals, Vyadha.
right, sorry.
This Anyapada, Dhanushpani, Anyapada is Vyadaha. Right?
అంటే ఎవరైతే ధనస్సును కలిగి ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు ధనుష్పాని వ్యాధః.
Yes. The one who has Dhanus arrow in his hand is Vyadha. Vyadaha. Dhanushpanihi Vyadaha. Next. What is the meaning?
ఎవరైతే ధనస్సును కలిగి ఉన్నారో వారు వ్యాధః మృగాలని చంపుతున్నాడు.
వాక్యం హ్యాష్ టు మోడిఫై. ఎవరైతే ధనుస్సును చేతిలో పెట్టుకొని ఉన్నారో ఆ వ్యాధుడు లేదా ఆ వేటగాడు మృగాలను చంపుతున్నాడు. In English?
So should we say the hunter who carries the bow killed no, not killed, kills the mrigaha or
Kills the animals,
right?
Mrigan is bahuvachanam, na? Animals,
Right.
So here in simple meaning is hunter is killing the animals. That is the simple meaning. So if we want to add this Dhanushpani Visheshana, this is Visheshya and this is Visheshana. Dhanushpani is the Visheshana for Vyadha. The one who has holding the dhanu in his hands, that hunter is killing the animals. Kills the animals. right?
Right.
Who has holding the dhanus in hands, that
Who holds the bow is enough.
okay. Who holds the bow is that hunter kills the animals. Okay, next. Actually, Ranjakaha, Takshakaha, these two words are also Sauchakaha. These three are also Bahuvrihi Samasa only. At the end, Ka comes na, then it should be Bahuvrihi Samasa only. Takshakaha, Ranjakaha, Sauchakaha. But they have not given Vigraha Vakyas in this chapter for this kind of Vakyas. Okay, we'll see later.
Would it? Okay, sorry. No, it's okay.
No,
No, I was
yes,
going
yes.
to just say, would it be Yaha Ranjati Saha Ranjakaha? Oh, but that won't.
No.
Yeah, sorry.
So, Ranjanam asya asti iti Ranjakaha. That kind of Vakyas can be there. Let me check once. Okay, you continue. I will check. What is the next word?
Pratiharah Saudasya Dwaram Rakshati. The gatekeeper guards the palace gate.
Gatekeeper?
Guards the palace.
Next.
వదకః పశూన్ హంతి. కసాయివాడు పశువులను చంపుతున్నాడు.
Next. In English?
The butcher kills the animals.
Next.
Ramah karyam kartum shaknotu shaknoyat ashaknot rakshayati va. Rama can do the work. Shaknotu should do the work. Shaknoyat. Rama had done the work. Sorry, that is Ashaknot had done the work. Shaknoyat.
Shouldn't it be is capable?
Yes. Shaknoti is capable. What did you say?
Will do the work. Okay. Rama is capable of doing the work. Should be capable of doing the work. Shaknoyat. Shaknot should be. Shaknoyat again it should be capable of doing the work. He was capable of doing the work, and he protects Rakshayati.
And no, will be able to.
Will be able to. Okay. Or will be able. Rakshayati, what is
It's Shakshayati.
Which? Shakshyati. Shakshyati in future tense. Lrutlakara.
Oh,
Will be capable. Next.
will be capable.
We missed number 8. So it's Sudha
Yeah.
Jivi, Sudha Bihi,
Oh, sorry.
Saudham Limpati. Oh. Okay. Sudha Jeevi. Did we have that word? What is the meaningful? Yes, it is there. Putai karne wala. The whitewasher. With the whitewash, whitewashes. That's it. The whitewasher whitewashes with the whitewash.
పెయింటర్ రంగు చేత రంగును వేస్తున్నాడు.
Hmm.
రంగుల చేత.
Next.
The color is not there in that, right?
Sudha Bihi is what? Whitewasher, right?
Sudha
Whitewash.
Bihi is whitewash. Yeah. Or
So,
primer or whatever. Yeah.
we use that whitewash is nothing but color only.
Oh, okay.
In Telugu, there is no other word.
Okay.
The other word is Sunnam.
Chuna lagana, right?
Oh, in Tamil also same?
No, it's Hindi.
Oh, in Hindi.
And Tamil also, Chunnamb is the
similar word.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, next.
Should I go? Go ahead, please. Sorry.
कृष्णः पितुः कथनं शृणोति शृणोत् शृणुयात् अशृणोत् श्रोष्यति वा. కృష్ణుడు తండ్రికి మాటలను వినిపిస్తున్నాడు అని. కృష్ణుడు తండ్రి మాటలను వింటున్నాడు, వినాలి, విన్నాడు లేదా వింటాడు.
Next, in English.
Krishna Pituhu Kathanam. Father's words. Krishna listens to father's words. He may listen to father's words. He should listen to father's words. Krishna listened to father's words, and Krishna will listen to his father's words.
Yes. Okay. Next.
संस्कृत बनाओ. नाई उस तवे से मनुष्य के बाल काटता है. बार बार संस्कृत के शब्द संस्कृत बनाओ. नापिता मनुष्य के बाल काटता है.
उस तरह से
नर
means
उस तरह with the razor.
means if you notice that this word is there. Napitaha Kshurena. Kshurena means what? Us tarah se, right?
Yeah.
उस तरह से. उस तरह. Okay, Shurena.
Even if
Shurena.
I don't know us tarah se means, but I am just doing Kalpana. Shurena is nothing but us tarah se.
Is third word. Shurena. Napitaha Shurena नरस्य नरस्य बालः
Bala means what there? It is not Bala,
means
Bal.
hair.
Huh. In English, it's in Sanskrit, hair means what? Keshan Vapati.
Keshan.
Here you have to add the word Manushyasya. That's all. Everything is same. Napitaha Kshurena Manusyasya Keshan Vapati.
नापितः क्षुरेण मनुष्यस्य केशं व्यपति.
Vapati. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.